So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on GBPJPY. So first thing first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and share. And also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update to be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on GBPY. So this is our overall trend on GBPY. We are in an uptrend, so market is clearly not to the upside. Market is definitely a bullish move. Now guys, take a look at it right here. So this market did drop to form a double bottom. At first it dropped, right? And we all know what this drop is. It means a double bottom. It means reversal movement, right? Once you see markets move like it means it is a reversal movement. So now markets eventually push up, right? Which eventually took out this neckline, right? Now this is a pullback that market did give us, right? Then it came back again to give us another double bottom, which means a reversal movement. And guess what market did? Eventually push up one more time and it took out this previous high, right? Thereby forming a new higher high. And now this is the pullback the market has given us. So with this pullback, we should be expecting market to push up one more time. So it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, what we will be expecting for the day, GBPJPY. So we will be anticipating for a movement to the upside that till market is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP, want to be going in, right? Now let's go down to the forward time. So this is our multiple rejection zone, right? So market has rejected from this zone. You can take a look at it right here. You can see this is our high and low. This is also our higher high, and this is the higher low. Now, guess what market did? This is the higher high, and this here is the higher low. This is also the new higher high, which took out this previous high. Now, here comes an equal higher low. So, markets came back to our previous higher low level, forming an equal higher low. So, with this moment, we should be expecting market to push up one more time till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a higher high. So, guys, this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on GBP. Now, if in case there will be any changes in this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.